BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 56 of season 3. Today's word is vigilant. The meaning of vigilant is paying close attention to something, alert, watchful, or attentive. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word vigilant. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Vigilant is spelled as V-I-G-I-L-A-N-T. A company had a business of sports equipment. Towards the end of financial year, an audit was conducted. The auditors were extremely vigilant about the accuracy of financial transactions, which means they verified each and every minute detail, and they had several queries. Listen carefully how we can use the word vigilant in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. There were reports of thefts and chain snatching near Marine Drive. The police were alerted by the citizens. To stop this menace, means threat, the police formed a vigilance squad, and it really helped them catch the thieves. Example number 2 of 8. The vigilant cashier in the bank spotted suspicious behavior of few persons. He informed the same to the branch manager secretly. The branch manager summoned means called the security guards. They found that some persons were carrying weapons and they were handed over to the police. Moving on to example number 3 of 8. The threat of crime is increasing globally. The criminals are devising newer ways of harming people and property. As a result, we find that the vigilance at airports has increased manifold, means multiple times. Example number 4 of 8. James is a teenager and he loves to play computer games all the time. Of late, his behavior showed some changes. His mother is always vigilant and she immediately noticed the change and hired the services of a counselor to help her son. Wow, isn't she really responsible? Learn how to clear any interview from expert in-house trainers offline and online who are ready to train you at our training centers in Mumbai and also through a video call. To know more, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Paul started receiving emails from his bank asking him to share his password with them. He was vigilant and was aware of incidents of cybercrime. Therefore, he contacted his bank immediately and confirmed that it was a fake communication. That was an outstanding action on Paul's part, isn't it? Example number 6 of 8. Do you agree that we all have to contribute to the process of ensuring our own safety? So let's be vigilant. If we notice any unattended bag or object lying at a public place, we should inform the security officers present on site. This alertness can save many lives. Example number 7 of 8. Mr. Verma was the in charge of a large warehouse of a chemical company. While tallying the inventory, means the stock records, he had a suspicion of theft. So, he secretly installed a vigilance system of CCTV. And guess what? The thieves were caught in the act during the next weekend. Example number 8 of 8. The corporator's daughter was getting married in a 5-star hotel. The hotel staff and the security guards had to be vigilant for gate crashers. Gate crashers are people who are not invited to a party or a function, yet they just go. Today we learned the word vigilant, which means paying close attention to something, alert, watchful, or attentive. Can you frame 3 sentences with vigilant and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 56 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.